Okay, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you on how you can give your website to a web developer to develop it for you without you buying web hosting. Okay, because there are two different categories involved when you want to get a website for your brand. One category is you get a domain name, and the second category is you get web hosting. Okay, what you have to do is, if you have a web developer who you can trust, you can simply buy domain name and let him add it to his or her web hosting account for you via his cPanel. Okay, this way you just go to a company that sells domain name and you buy it from them, because domain name is very cheap. It's cheaper than the web hosting. It costs like $14 per year if you go for .com domain name extension, your company name .com, and that's it. Once you buy it from this company, you present it to the web developer in your area, or you can find a web developer from Fiverr. I advise you to go to the web developer who you trust, like from your friends, from your classmates, from your schoolmates, or the one that is in your community, web design agency in your community. Find them and go to them that you have a business and you want to get a website for it, but you don't have a budget to buy web hosting now. They will gladly help you host it on their web hosting. Okay, because web hosting accounts, the minimum one is called shared hosting, and with that shared hosting, once you buy from the company, they will give you opportunity to host more than 3 websites, and that one is one of the first tier of shared web hosting plan. And the second tier of shared hosting plan, for some companies, they can allow you to host as many websites as you want, multiple websites, infinity websites. The number of websites that you can host is countless, is limitless. Okay, if you go to this website development agency, they will help you host your website on their web hosting. What you need to do is you buy domain name, and that is it. Importantly, they will give you a custom email address for your company, for your brand. For me, like this, if you come to me and I know you very well, I just look at your brand. If it is legitimate, if it is aligned with the thing that is honesty, then I will just simply help you to host it on my web hosting, because my hosting accounts allow me to host different websites limitlessly. I can host thousands of websites, and that is it. And for some people, they can charge you for some money for years, for months, although based on your agreement, just be with them, be personable with them, and that is it. They can even help you for free, and if they don't want to help you for free, then negotiate with them on how much they can collect from you on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. That is how you can get a website for your brand without you buying web hosting. What you need to do is you buy domain name, and that is all. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching the video. For more information on how you can buy a domain name for your brand, go to www.domain.fastnowa.com. That place you enter your brand name and you click search. Then our AI built-in will check the word in the internet for you and show you the available domain name that you can buy for your brand, which relates to the keyword that you entered in the first place. That is it. For more information, subscribe to this channel and give this video a likes for more people to know us.